Where's the lighter?
You have it. We have a dog.
Huh? Where'd you put the lighter?
It. I look like the thing is the Pirates of the Caribbean. It's the gold thing right here. It's
So, who had the lighter last and where is it?
I think I did, yes,
Send it to me the plate. Oh yeah, you threw it and it went under the bed. It's right there. Next to the domino box. There, yeah.
So, say a little something. You're on our YouTube.
We're video camming this.
You just went black, and no, not your race.
I just had sex.
I'm having puppies.
And it felt
I chill. I chill like a fucking animal.
Yeah, you do.
He's just watching himself chew. He's all into
I don't feel like a fucking monkey when I eat.
Dance, Phil.
Oh, you,
I would show you the baby, but she's sleeping.
We should though. We should make a video like, oh, we got a dog today.
I really had sex.
Somebody take this. I'm gonna try to put it in his bed.
I had sex.
Yeah.
Okay, really quick shot before you go to bed.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
This is Felipe.
This is Felipe.
Junior.
Aww. He's so tiny.
I'm gonna have to do this.
25 position inside of it.
What are you talking about, Phil?
Can I have my sig
Can I
back?
have some of that? give me a dry bit.
I don't know how the smoke doesn't show up on me.
Yeah, it does.
So can I get that or?
Yeah.
No, hold on. Let me get one more jab real quick.
Why are you sitting there anyway?
Yeah, why are you over here?
What?
Why are you over here? But let me spark you. Doesn't matter how it sucks. Doesn't matter how it sucks. Doesn't matter how it
She
sucks.
put a bag on my head.
Still counts.
Never counts.
Go back to sleep, baby boy.
Go back to sleep, baby. Go back to sleep, baby. Baby. Go back to sleep.
Yeah. So,
I have
yeah.
Sam's phone.
You have my phone. Thank you, dickhead.
So really, that trash can of piss can't just sit there.
Yeah. I forgot I peed in the trash can.
I told you I'm taking it out when I'm leaving. So what's in this box?
Yeah, so, we're bored. So,
Phil peed in the trash
we need
can.
some Phil peed in a trash can. We
The
need
water bottle got too filled.
And then scarred Sam for life.
Yeah, a few times. But, we need some...
Just so you know, it's only because the water bottle got filled.
You are.
Now, I would
Anyway,
never steal
we need some,
your chocolate.
Oh, Phil, you're keeping the baby.
we need some requests. It's delayed. God damn it.
What's the name?
This video.
I thought you should go today. I'm like, shit.
What?
Do I have to fall asleep?
Wow. Alright, yeah, we need some requests. And, we have a dog.
And he's the cutest dog in the world.
Yes, he is!
And his name's Felipe.
Oh, yeah. And,
So. We're friends.
He won't go back to sleep.
because he's all excited.
Whatever dogs are looking at dog porn now.
He's just been staring at Phil for the last, like, 15 minutes.
Alright, that would be all.
Phil.